Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. We are going to use it to navigate through instrument cluster. Press left or right arrow to change radio station. Twist this knob to change radio volume. Press back button to enter menu on the instrument cluster, and again navigate through it via this panel. Now let's take a look at the instrument cluster and what we can find here. Let's go back, and firstly we've got the trip timer, drive info, speed, alert, home, climate control, setup, car status, and that's basically it. On the instrument cluster you can also find consumption, range, and battery level. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.